Welcome to Expert SEM knowledge sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called inventory shrinkage. If you have your own retail business, you might have probably faced theft, shoplifting, or other forms of fraud, bringing unforeseen inventory losses. This unplanned inventory loss due to various factors is called inventory shrinkage. For example, Rio Shoes Limited has 4,820 pieces of shoes, but upon physical count, the inventory was only 3,980. This loss of inventory can be described as inventory shrinkage. Also, can be caused due to theft, shoplifting, damage, or any other form of inventory loss. To emphasize, a report shows that more than 40 billion was lost in the year 2016 due to inventory shrinkage alone. Hence, it is evident for retailers to take steps to prevent this unwanted loss that brings down their profitability. There are several reasons that contribute to inventory shrinkage. However, top reasons are: number one, shoplifting, employee theft, administrative and paperwork error, vendor fraud or error, product damage or expired product, and other reasons. A combination of safety measures and employee engagement tactics should put into use to bring down inventory shrinkage. Some of these measures could be: safeguard the expensive inventory. Any valuable inventory can be stored in a separate location, which can be in an enclosed room or a sealed off space. Next one, prevent vendor purchase order fraud. Often a purchase manager may inflate the demand, making you pay more for the PO. The vendor may personally know your purchase manager and might be involved in a scam where both benefit from each other. Next measure could be eliminate loopholes and improve process. You will stumble upon loopholes upon closer inspection that your employees can exploit and bring about significant shrinkage in inventory. Tighten the process and eliminate all the loopholes. Next one measure could be go for employee integrity screening. If you are dealing with high value, small size inventory such as caviar, gemstone, expensive electronic devices that are easy to steal, you may go for an employee integrity screening. In order to accomplish this, you may check their criminal history, education verification, credit history, past employment history, etc. So this could be one of the goal for supply chain executive, how you can minimize the inventory shrinkage by deploying suitable measures. Thanks for watching. Bye.